How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to go live on your TikTok without 1000 followers, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into the TikTok app on my phone. In here we need to click on this plus symbol. As you can see, I don't have the live function on my TikTok account right now. So what I need to do first is to take a screenshot of this. And you need to do this as well. Make sure that you get the entire page. Keep watching because I will show you why we just did this. So after you're done, then go back to your TikTok profile and then click on this try bar symbol in the top right corner. Now we need to click on Settings and Privacy. In here, we need to scroll down until we can find where it says Report a Problem. We need to click here because this is a problem that we need to report to TikTok so that they can fix this issue. In here, we need to click where it says I can start a live. In here, we need to click where it says No. Then click where it says Need more help. Now we need to firstly click here, then choose the screenshot that you just took before and click on confirm in the top right corner. Now when we have done that, then we need to write to TikTok something like this. Please check my screenshot that I just submitted to you. I don't have the function to go live on TikTok. Please fix this issue because this function is important for my TikTok experience. Just write something like that. You don't have to write it 100% exactly like this, but I think you get the point. You need to explain to TikTok that you don't have the live function and you want them to fix it. Then after that, click on report. It often takes about 1 to 3 days for TikTok to respond to you, and hopefully after that you will get this function here to go live on TikTok after you have followed this video step by step. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.